If you're looking to add AI-powered suggestions based on user input, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to integrate this feature into your app or website, and why it's one of the easiest ways to enhance user experience. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll have a solid grasp of how to use AI to give personalized recommendations in real time. Let's dive right in. First, we need to gather the user's input. This could be anything from search queries to feedback, or even specific data they input into forms. The goal here is to make sure you capture the information in a way that the AI can process effectively. Once you've gathered the input, you'll send it to an AI model to analyze it. Now, there are many options for AI models, but today I'll recommend a software that can handle this seamlessly. The software we'll be using allows you to connect your input data to an AI engine that processes it in real time to generate smart, context-aware suggestions. The key here is the type of AI model you choose. For example, if you're building an e-commerce site, you might use a recommendation engine that suggests products based on previous purchases or browsing behavior. In other use cases, such as a customer service chatbot, the AI model would suggest responses based on the user's question. Now here's where it gets interesting. To make the suggestions feel natural and helpful, you'll need to customize the AI model with relevant data. For instance, you might upload user behavior data or preferences, so the AI can learn over time and become even more accurate. This part is crucial, because the better your model is trained, the more accurate and helpful the suggestions will be. Once the AI is trained and analyzing user input, you'll integrate it back into your user interface. This could look like a drop-down menu, a pop-up, or even inline suggestions as the user types. The key here is to keep it non-intrusive, but easy to access, so users feel like the suggestions enhance their experience rather than disrupt it. You might be wondering how to start using AI in your own projects. Well, I've tried several popular AI tools, and in the description below, I've linked to an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. It's a great way to follow along with the tutorial and implement AI-powered suggestions in your own apps or websites. To quickly recap, here are the main steps to add AI-powered suggestions based on user input. 1. Capture the user's input. 2. Send it to an AI model for analysis. 3. Customize the model with relevant data for better suggestions. 4. Integrate the AI suggestions into your interface in a user-friendly way. The key takeaway here is that AI-powered suggestions can dramatically improve your user experience by providing personalized, context-aware recommendations. By following the steps I just outlined, you can implement this feature seamlessly into your platform. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so be sure to check it out if you want to follow along and start integrating AI today. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project.